guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you are staying indoors and staying safe. So recently I added a couple of new products in my CTM routine and they worked really well for me. So I thought might as well share it with you all. So without wasting any more time, let's just begin with the video. So the two products that I'm going to talk about in today's video are from Kama Ayurveda, and the first one is their Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub and the other one is their Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser. Both of these products are really good, and before I show you all the texture, I show you all the application and talk about these products in detail, let me quickly tell you all about the brand first. Kama Ayurveda offers high quality Ayurvedic and natural beauty products. Their Ayurvedic ingredients are 100% natural with no added colors and fragrances and animal ingredients. The products are prepared from plants and herbs collected from natural habitat. Since all the products that they made are Ayurvedic, so they are very gentle and very effective on the skin. Talking about the first product, this is how the first product looks like. Really love the packaging. It looks very earthy to me. And this is the Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub, and everything is mentioned in detail. The ingredients, how to use it, the pricing, and every little detail is mentioned. Now talking about the actual product, once you open it, you get this tub and you also get a wooden spatula, which I think is really great to scoop out the product from the tub. Talking about the actual product and its texture, let me quickly take some on my hand. It is very creamy and it is really nice. It has few granules in it which helps you to mildly exfoliate your face, and the particles present in the scrub are very gentle and they're not that harsh on the skin, and I really love the effect of the scrub. It also has a very mild and very calming fragrance to it. Now I'll quickly show you all the application on my face and we'll also talk about the ingredients in it. Start the application of the scrub on a wet face, scoop out some product and then gently apply it onto your face and then start massaging it. Now this Kumkumadi face scrub is specially formulated with pure Ayurvedic Kumkumadi oil. This oil is a beauty fluid made with 12 precious and rare ingredients that help in illuminating the complexion, also helps in smoothing the fine lines and renew the skin cell growth. This authentic Ayurvedic formula is created with the finest Kashmir saffron to brighten your skin and repair pigmentation. Also the finely ground sweet almonds that are present in the scrub, which are rich in vitamin E and D, nourishes and nurture while exfoliating pollutants and impurities for a glowing complexion. This product is clinically tested and proven that it helps in reducing your pore size. Also it helps in smoothing the skin by 34% and also helps in firming the skin by 24%. After one use only, I can easily see the visible difference in my skin. My face looks so clean and feels so smooth and brightened. Moving further, the next product is a facial cleanser, and this one is the Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser. It is infused with pure essential oils of rose and jasmine. I really love the product and I really love how it is so mild and yet it cleans my face very nicely. So this is how the actual product looks like. It comes with a pump bottle like this. And quickly talking about the texture of this product, this is how it looks. It is very runny, like you can see, and it is made up of Ayurvedic ingredients. This doesn't lather up, but it really cleanses your face nicely. Now let's see the application on the face. Once the scrubbing is done, now I'll use this Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser to clean my face. This face wash is filled with natural ingredients which gently and thoroughly clean the skin and also removes light makeup. The ingredients such as aloe vera leaf juice helps in smoothing the skin. Also the black cumin seeds are antibacterial. The pure essential oil of rose has excellent emollient and hydrating properties, keeping the skin soft, young and moisturized, while the pure essential oil of jasmine is an effective toner and helps reduce skin marks and scarring. I personally loved using this face wash because it definitely helps in cleaning my face very nicely, and also it gives a nice moisturizing effect once my face is all cleaned up. I've been loving using these two products in my new CTM routine, and the scrub is a total game changer and I can already see that my face looks so clean, soft, radiant and firm after using it. Quickly talking about pricing for these two products. So the face scrub is priced at 1450 rupees and the facial cleanser is priced at 850 rupees. I will be dropping links for both of these products in my description box down below in case you want to check it out. So that's all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a like. Also do subscribe, be a part of my virtual family. Also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching.